The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. There was a village on the outskirts of forest. A shepherd boy used to live there. He used to take master's herd of sheep to the field at the foot of a mountain. Every day he sat under the large tree while his flock of sheep grazed on the grass. But soon he found life in the pasture very boring. One day, as he sat watching the sheep and thinking what he would do should he see a wolf, he thought of plan to amuse himself. He ran towards the village shouting at the top of his voice, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers who heard the cry